We have reverse engineering capabilities utilizing a 3D laser scanner. This allows us to take images with accuracy up to 7/10,000ths of an inch. We're able to take and reverse engineer components with flow control damage, as well as take and reverse engineer and create obsolete components that are no longer available. We can also take and change instrumentation out and upgrades to the latest and greatest components out there. This technology allows us to take and come on site, scan your valve while it's still in place, and then come back to the office and design a complete mounting kit, take and upgrade your instrumentation to the latest and greatest technology available. This prevents downtime, multiple trips back and forth to the shop, and getting everything to fit just right. Everything is done in 3D environment before the first manufacturing process, and final prints are put on the floor. This takes and creates an accurate dimensional print before the first part is cut. With this technology, we're also able to take and bring in damaged components, scan them, reverse engineer, and then create components that are no longer available, or create components that have extremely long lead times from the OEM. This technology has been able to take and save customers countless hours of downtime, as well as take and save valves that otherwise would be considered obsolete and require replacement. If you're interested in learning more about this service, please give us a call or take a look at our website. Thank you.